Hi, Kyler.
Hi, John.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Great, great. All right. Today we want to practice talking about your routine. Okay?
Okay.
Routine. This is what you do every day, every week. And I'll pull up some slides. Where are my slides? Here we go. Can you see the blue or green slides?
Yes.
Awesome. So yeah, in English there are 12 tenses, but today we're going to focus on the present simple or simple present. Not ate, but eat. This is every
Okay.
day. Okay?
Okay.
I think I have some examples. Yeah, this one here. Please repeat after me. I live in Japan. Go.
I live in Japan.
I work at a school.
I work at the school.
I study English often.
I study English often.
Mm. This is easy or difficult?
Easy.
Easy. Okay. Okay. Let's make some questions. Do you live in Osaka?
No, I live in Tokyo.
Okay. Okay. Do you work at a hospital?
No, I work at Domino's Pizza.
Hmm. Hmm. Do you eat chocolate often?
I don't eat chocolate oftenly.
Uh, oftenly or often?
Oftenly.
Often.
Often.
Okay. Can you say that one more time? I don't eat chocolate often.
I I don't eat chocolate often.
Super. Can you see it in the chat? Oftenly changes to often.
Yes.
Awesome. Okay. Let's do a couple more questions. Please ask me 3 or 4 questions using these examples. Could be yes, no questions, what questions, or questions, as you like.
Do you live in Canada?
No, I don't.
Where do you work?
I work in Yokohama and Kawasaki.
What did you study at university?
Wow. Past tense. It's okay. I studied business at university. Can
Huh.
you ask me if I study now?
Do you study, なんだっけ
That's good. Yes. Do you study now?
Do you study now?
I don't study at school, but I do try to learn many things on the internet. Hmm. Okay, how do you feel? You want to continue practicing or do you want to move on?
I want to move on.
Move on. Okay, good idea. Let me see if I can find the right slide. We want adverbs of frequency. Please repeat. Always,
Always,
usually,
usually,
often,
often,
sometimes,
sometimes,
occasionally,
occasionally,
rarely,
rarely,
never.
never.
Okay. These are clear?
Yes,
Great. Let's do some more questions. Uh, what do you always do at night?
I always have shower at night.
Hmm. Do you usually use soap or body wash?
I usually use soap.
Do you often go to bed late?
I go to bed late often.
What time?
1 a.m.
Oh, that's late. That's late. Where do you sometimes go in the summer?
I sometimes go to the ocean.
Hmm. Who occasionally talks to you?
My brother occasionally talks to me.
Where is it rarely cold?
It's fairly cold in Okinawa.
Wow, good job. Last one. What do you never eat?
I never eat Goya.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Great. All right, more practice. Can you ask me 3 questions, please, using these words?
Where do you usually go in the weekends?
I usually go to coffee shops and I also go to one of my jobs in Tama Plaza. Good. One more question.
What do you rarely do?
I rarely. I rarely go to Ikebukuro. I don't like Ikebukuro. Hmm. Okay, fantastic. We'll do one more exercise. We'll do summary. Okay.
Okay,
Maybe we can do a role play. So we meet and we'll talk about our routines, what we do every day.
okay.
It's a role play. Hi,
Mm. Hi,
nice to meet you.
nice to meet you too.
Yeah. Are you a student?
Yes,
Hmm. What do you usually do on the weekend?
I usually work at the weekend.
Oh, work. Wow. Wow. Do you work every day?
Not every day, but almost every day.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Hmm. Can you drive?
Yes, I can do.
Yes, I can do, or yes, I can drive, or yes, I can.
Yes, I can.
Mm-hmm. How often do you drive? Sometimes, occasionally, rarely.
I sometimes drive car.
Hmm. Cool. Cool. Ask me some questions.
Uh, What do you usually do in the weekends?
I usually go fishing
What do you often do at nighttime?
at night. Well, I always sleep. Often, I often check my smartphone. I like X and YouTube.
Mm.
Do you watch YouTube?
Yes, I watch YouTube.
Oh, who's your favorite YouTuber?
Mr. Beast?
I don't like Mr. Beast. That's okay. Okay,
Okay.
that was great, Kyler. Do you have any questions about what we did today?
Nope.
No. All right. Well, I'm going to send you an email with any mistakes from today's lesson. I'll also send some homework, and I want you to think about what you want to do in the next lesson. Okay, the next lesson's goal. That'll be your homework too. Okay.
Okay.
Do you want to meet at the same time next week? Same day,
Yes.
same time?
Yep.
Okay, awesome. I'll see you then. Bye.
Bye.